Why do you keep tripping over the same mistakes? You swear you'll stop procrastinating, yet you're scrambling at the last minute. You promise to save money, but your bank account's still empty. It's not bad luck, it's self-sabotage, and your brain's rigged to keep you stuck. Today, we're diving into why you repeat the same mistakes and how to break those patterns for good. This is about exposing the hidden traps in your mind and arming you with tools to escape. No more excuses. Let's break the cycle. Your brain's wired for comfort, and self-sabotage is its sneaky way of dodging fear, effort, or change. Psychology shows these patterns stem from cognitive biases and emotional triggers, but you can outsmart them. Here's how to stop the rerun and rewrite your script. Step 1. Spot your sabotage triggers. Self-sabotage isn't random. It's sparked by specific moments. Stress, fear of failure, or even success can push you to derail. Emma procrastinated when projects felt overwhelming. Her brain chose Netflix over anxiety. What's your trigger? Dig deep. Is it boredom, criticism, or pressure? Keep a journal for 3 days. When you mess up, note what happened right before. Psychology says awareness is the first step to breaking habits. Grab a notebook now. Write down one mistake you repeat and guess its trigger. Don't just think, do it. Knowing your enemy is half the battle. Step 2. Challenge your inner liar. Your brain feeds you stories to justify sabotage. I work better under pressure, or I'll start tomorrow sound convincing, but they're lies. Cognitive distortions, like all or nothing thinking, keep you stuck. Emma told herself, if I can't make it perfect, why try? Flip these thoughts. Ask, is this true? What's the evidence? Replace the lie with a fact. Starting small is better than nothing. Write down one excuse you lean on. Cross it out, then write a counterstatement. Test it this week. Your brain's a storyteller. Make it tell better ones. Step 3. Swap sabotage for micro wins. Your brain craves instant gratification, so big goals feel daunting and sabotage feels safe. Break the pattern with tiny, doable actions. Want to stop overspending? Track one purchase a day. Always late? Set one alarm 5 minutes earlier. Psychology's clear. Small successes rewire your brain for progress. Emma started with 10 minutes of design work before opening Netflix. Now she hits deadlines. Pick one mistake you repeat. What's a 10-second step to counter it? Schedule it today. Micro wins build momentum. Step 4. Plan for the crash. Self-sabotage loves chaos. Stressful days or emotional lows are its playground. Don't wait to get blindsided. Create an if-then plan. If you're stressed and tempted to skip the gym, then you'll do a 1-minute stretch instead. Research shows these plans cut sabotage by prepping your brain. Emma's plan, if she felt overwhelmed, she'd sketch for 5 minutes to start. What's your weak moment? Write an if-then plan now. Test it this week. Preparation beats willpower every time. Step 5. Get an accountability anchor. Your brain's sneaky. It'll talk you out of change unless someone's watching. Share your goal with a friend, join a group, or post online. Accountability forces you to show up. Emma told her coworker she'd share a design draft daily. It kept her on track. Who's your anchor? Text them today, tell them your plan, or comment below with your goal. Don't hide, commit. People rooting for you make sabotage harder. Here's the hard truth. You're not doomed to repeat mistakes, but you're choosing them by staying blind to your patterns. Emma's crushing deadlines now, not because she's perfect, but because she faced her triggers, planned ahead, and got help. Your procrastination, your overspending, your short fuse, they're not your identity. They're habits you can break. Spot the trap, challenge the lie, start small, plan smart, and lean on others. Stop the loop today. Act now. Pick one step. Journal a trigger. Rewrite an excuse, or make an if-then plan. Do it within the next hour. Comment below. What mistake are you breaking? Share it to lock in your commitment. Then watch our next video on building unshakable habits. It's your perfect follow-up. Your brain's not the boss. You are. Break the cycle. Go. Now.